What I do? See, yeah, what I'm going to do here, I have taken the class. That class name is Enum class. So here, what I will do inside the main, please understand, inside the main, what I will going to do, I will going to create a one enum or in the public or otherwise what I will do. So inside the class, take the class. This is the class. You can able to see public class have a name. You can able to see what is that name is enum class. Yes or not? So this is the class name. Here inside the class, not inside the main. Please understand this one. Very, very important. I'm not, basically why sir why you wanted to create a class inside the class, why not in the main? Because enum is a class. Please understand, enum is a class, so you can able to create a class inside the class, yes or not? So not in the main. That's why basically we know class is a blueprint as well. So that's why it will going to design a blueprint. That's it. Enum will going to create a blueprint. Using that blueprint, what we're going to do, we're going to fetch the information. Again, we're going to display. Okay, we're going to display. That is the intention here. Very simple. So for that, what I will do, see here, enum, it's a class. Please understand, enum is a class. Okay, you wanted to access the class means definitely you should have an object. Yes or not? So every class will going to have a name, that is called it as something. I will going to take something like that, animal. Please understand, something I will going to take animal. Even I don't know, just I taken the class enum class. See, we haven't taken the class that is called it as enum. Again, that class name is what we call it as, that is animal. Okay, fine. So every class will going to have a body, right? That is the reason I am creating a body here. See here, even enum class have a body. You can see this one, yes or not? Sorry, this one. When you see this enum this class have a body like that. This enum animal will going to have a body. See this one, this is the body. Clear? Everybody clear? Inside the body, what I will do, I will going to create a sketch, nothing but blueprint design I will going to give. So but when you are writing something inside the enum, always you have to use, well, basically what is this enum is nothing but in the Java, it's a class. It will going to display the constants, or either otherwise you can say that it will going to hold the constants. Okay, it will going to store the constants. That is what, why we have to use the enum means, because we want to display the constants. That is the reason why. So for example, I will going to take animal means so many animals will be there. Just I will going to take like say something like cow. Okay, na cow. Again semicolon, sorry, comma. Again something like dog. You take dog. Okay, dog. Any animal, another animal. Cat. Okay, I will take cat. After that sheep. So these are the animals we have in this particular enum class. Everyone getting what do you mean by enum? Is nothing but enum used to represent the constants. These are all constants. You can see these are all constants. Okay, either you can use the semicolon here. Otherwise, no, if you don't use semicolon, nothing will going to happen. So this is the design. Okay, this is the enum design. Clear, everyone? Now you tell me, are you clear or not? Very, very important concept this is. That's why. Basically, you can ask me, sir, why in Java enum is there? Okay, basically in Java, hence before in 1.0, like that, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, up to 1.4, we don't find any enum in the Java. See, for this one, I will take a separate class. Okay, I will take a separate section. Almost on 3-4 days it will going to take. So I will going to take a separate class. Why they have introduced, what is the reason of enum in the Java, all those things. But just you take this one right now. You please understand, this is more than enough. Later I will going to take a separate section for enum. Okay, basically this Java people, okay, for what they will going to do, they will going to introduce this enum in 1.5 version. Okay, basically so many people like C designers of C and C++, so many people will going to ask, why you are not having enum? Okay, we wanted to represent the constants means what we have to do. So that's why basically representing a constant means that value will not going to be changed. Yes or not? That's why this Java people will say, why, what is the reason, what do you mean by constant? It will not go, the value will not going to change. So for that, we have a keyword that is called it as final. Later we will see this one. So we will see this one later. Final. Why should I bring this enum into the Java? So compared to enum, we have a better one that is final, like that they said. But I don't know why. After 1.5 version, immediately they brought this one into Java. So for the all those stories and examples, so many examples I will give you, but later I will tell you those things. But just you take this one. That is more than enough. Enum is a class. So enum having a class. Again, these are all the constant: cow, dog, cat, and sheep. These are all the constants. Okay, put semicolon. That's it. Understood, everyone? Everybody clear? Guys, anybody have doubts? Let me know. So that is what exactly you need to understand. Enum is a class. Again, having some name. Again, you will going to find some constants in this. That's it. You understand this is more than enough. Okay. Okay, if you are able to understand, so when this enum is a class, what I will going to do, I wanted to execute this particular constants. Okay, whatever the constants we have, cow, again dog, cat, sheep, all these constants I have. I wanted to execute. How to do this, sir? Very simple. For that, what we have to do, we have to create an object. So how to create an object? Because we have to use the class. I told you in previous classes and all. So when you create a class, if you want to access the class means you need to have an object. Okay. So that is the reason why I'm creating an object here saying that class name. So you take any object. Object is like something like A. You take it as A. Here that is equal to, okay. I will say class name animal, sorry, animal dot. Now you can see here, guys, everybody understanding? I created a class. This is a class. Again, class variable. Okay, nothing but it's an object. Okay, A is an object now. Here I will going to create a class. In this particular class, what is that? In animal class, what are the things are there? Cat, dog, again cow, sheep, all these things are available, yes or not? So either there are so many functions are value of string, again class, values, all those things, all these methods you can able to use it. That is the reason why I'm telling you enum is a class. Understood now? Enum is a class. In that class you will going to find lot of methods, constants. In that method, in that class, what I mentioned here I mentioned some constants, that is cow, dog, cat, sheep. That's it. So that is the reason why I created a class. Again, we have a object that is called it as A. Again, we have a class name dot. Okay, you give whatever you want it. So what I will go to do, just I will going to take one that is called it as cat here. Okay, simply I will take cat. Clear, everyone? Everybody understood now? Understood? Understood or not? Now you tell me. Understood or not, guys? Yeah, please let me know.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Understood.
Okay, fine. So you know, right? Suppose I wanted to access this particular class, enum class, what you will going to do? Enum, again, give some variable, nothing but object, again, enum class, dot something values, all those things like that you will going to do. So that is like that only here also, enum, animal. So all these constants, that's why class, okay, class name I provided one variable. So nothing but object. Again here class name, again dot. So there are a lot of values are there, constants. You can see cow, dog, cat, sheep, all those things. Okay, these things I wanted to execute. So that is the reason why I designed like that. Okay, I designed in this way. That's it, nothing else. Apart from that, nothing is there. Now what I will do, see here, switch. Okay, no, fine. Okay, switch. Here I will going to say something like this. I will take this variable. What is this variable? That is A. I will going to place it here. So it's an expression now. Understanding, everyone? Switch will going to have a body. So I will create a body. Clear, everybody? All these lines, everybody clear? Now what I will do, see here, case. I will take case. Okay, just small case. Here you take all these things: cow, cat, dog, all those things. Okay, what I will do, I will go to copy this one. Okay, paste it here. Cow, again mention this one. Again here I will going to say something like SYSO space bar. Now I will say something like this. Curve is nothing but this one I will going to give number one. Curve is number one. Again dog is two. Again cat is three. Sheep is four. Like that I will going to make it. Okay, na? Fine. So finally what we will going to do to avoid the fall through condition, we will going to put the break. Why we are putting the break here? So we have to avoid the fall through condition. That's the reason why I'm putting the break here. That's it. Apart from that, nothing is there. Understanding everyone? Just copy all these things. Okay, what I will do, I will go to copy everything. Control C. One by one, you paste it here. Okay, so what are the things? Cow is over. After that, you mentioned dog, 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 dog here. So number two. Again, I will mention here cat. Okay, cat. So that is number three. Fine. Again, which one we have? Sheep, right? Sheep. So that is number four. That's it. Clear, everyone? Anybody have doubts? Let me know. Please let me know. Anybody have doubts? Guys, no doubts, right? Anyone have? Please message. Finally, what we're going to do? Default case. Okay, default. Here you write whatever you want it. So simply you can write anything, something like default, something like I will going to provide here. Say that anything you can say. Okay, default case. Default case, I will say. So whatever you want it, you can able to do it. Okay, so now you can able to see, it's a very simple program. What I'm doing, I am accessing this cat. So cat number, it will going to specify one. That is the reason. Okay. Again, if you mention, if you are accessing something like dog, it will going to specify number two. If you are accessing, what is that cat here? So it will going to access number three. Again, sheep means number four, like that. If nothing is there means automatically it will going to give you the default case. We know already all those things. Yes or not? So let me run this program. We'll understand now. Okay, see, clear? Everyone clear? Anybody have doubts? Let me know. If you have any doubts, let me know. That's it, very simple. Okay, clear? Please let me know, guys. So if you want it, you can change this particular constant. Okay, whatever the constant you wanted to access, you can able to access. I will go to access the sheep here now. Okay, sheep I will go to access. Just double click on this semicolon. That's it. Okay, now done. Then run it now. Okay. So here you will going to get it 4. So sheep is at the place 4. Clear, ma? Everyone clear? Let me know, guys, if you are clear. Hello. Please message here. Yeah, good. Nice. So this is enum can be used in switch cases, all those things. I think I brought every variety in the switch case. Rest of the things is left to you people. You have to work hard on this. Okay, fine, very clear. See, whatever the things you will going to access here inside the main function. See, this is our main function. I created a enum class. This is my enum class. You can see enum class. What is the name of the enum class? That is animal. Yes or not? I have to, suppose you wanted to access this class means what you have to do? You have to create an object. Yes or not? You have to create an object. That's why class name object A is an object here. Please understand A is an object here. Okay. So here, what is the value A is holding? This is animal dot sheep. This is the value it is holding. Okay. That's why this A is, we will call it as a reference variable also. Reference variable to which class? Animal class. Yes or not? It is A is a reference variable or object. You can call anything like that. Okay, this reference variable holding the value animal dot sheep. So what is this animal dot sheep? So animal is a class. In that class, we have some constant that is called it as cow, dog, cat, sheep. You can able to see cow, dog, cat, sheep is there. So in that one, I am accessing. What is that? Sheep I am accessing. So what is the value of A now? So that is, so when A takes this value from here to here, okay, when A takes this value, it will go to check here. Okay, what is the value we have? That is sheep here. It will directly go to the sheep and it will go to say it's a fourth number. That's it. It's easy one. Okay, clear? If I brought something else apart from sheep and all, it will go to the default case. You try that one. Okay. So if you want it, you can able to access the dog. If you want it, you can able to access the cow. All those things, whatever you want it, you can able to access it. This is how you can able to use the enum class in the switch case. Clear, everyone? Everybody clear? Let me know now. At least raise your hands so that I can understand. Clear, guys? So it's a very simple program, but don't worry. See, if you are not able to understand about the enum, suppose if you are not able to understand about the enum, I will take different sections. Okay, I will take a different, particularly for enum, I will going to take a different section. What is this exactly enum in Java? Everything I will going to tell you about the story. So what those people did, all those things, Java people, for designers of Java, what these people did, and oh, these people are triggered all the C++, again some Angular, and Fortran people. All this Fortran is a language, so it consists of enum, all those things. But they asked these people, Java people, why can't you include Java is a very good programming language. You people are not having enum. Why can't you include that one? This Java people was still already better than that. Enum, we have final word. So why we have to take that one? So like that they said, but after fifth version, when they released the fifth version of Java, immediately without knowing anyone, they included this one. So it's, see, already those people are asking, experts are asking, you have to include the enum like that. But what they said ins before, they said something like that. Why we have to include that when we have better than that, like that. But in 1.5 version, immediately they will going to release enum. Okay, this feature they will going to release it. So that's why these people, C++, and Photon, all those people, they were a little bit disturbed. Nothing but even we asked that time you haven't released. Now you are releasing. What is this nonsense? You are playing with us like that. So that's what. So all those stories I will going to tell you in next class. Okay. This is all about switch cases. All the cases related to switch, nested switch. Okay. Again, switch using string. Again, switch using integral values. All those things I explained. You switch using character. Everything we discussed. This is all about switch cases. If you have any doubts related to switch, you can ask me now. Right now. You can ask me right now. Anything related to switch. Okay. You have 1 minute. You can ask anything related to switch. So now new topics we will going to study, that is loops. Okay, so that is loops. You know, right? Loops. We'll going to study the loops. Very important concepts. While loop, do while. Okay, for loop, all those things. In that for loop, we will going to see what is that. For each loop, all those things we will going to discuss. Okay. So anybody have problem with this one? Please let me know, guys. Guys, anyone have problem in switch, let me know. I will going to clear your doubts right away. So because I will go to write a different program, because we will go to see the, what is that, loops and all. Okay. Answer, guys. You have any doubts, let me know. Yes or no? Tell me at least yes or no. Everything you understood, right? Yes or no? Okay, yes or no. Type it. Yeah. At least say something. Fine. Okay, thank you. We will see one more. Okay, so we'll go to we will jump into loops. We will understand the loops and all. Already we know loops, but in Java we don't know the loops, right? So same thing will be there, but a little bit different is there. All those things, if anything is if you find anything difference, if I find anything difference between C++ and Java loops, I will go to explain you. Okay, if anything different is there, I will definitely, I will explain. Okay, so let's create a new class, that is called it as while. Okay, so we'll go to discuss while first. While. So because when you write while, it's a keyword actually. So basically, see, I will tell you. Always you will want to find something like when I write this while, so it will says that the name is not a valid. Why? Because while is a keyword. It will understand you are using your class name as a keyword. So please change it like that. It will going to say. So now it will going to change. See, that's the reason why always please understand, instead of understanding, please have a ideology in your mind saying that what I'm writing exactly, why I'm writing all these things. You need to know this. Okay, so why? So now it will not going to create any problem. So it's okay. Fine. Clear, guys? Everybody clear? Okay. So this is what exactly. So first, what we'll do, we'll want to see the syntax. What is the syntax exactly? What it will do? All those things we will want to see, as well as flowchart, everything. Today we're going to discuss about completely on while condition. So basically, why we are using while loop means because while loop is used to iterate a statements. Okay, there will be a number of statements. I wanted to print the statement again and again like that. So many things will be there. Okay, so I wanted to repeatedly, I wanted to execute the statement. Suppose think like that. Example, I will going to take a statement. See here, guys. Okay, fine. It's there, right? Okay. See here, guys. Suppose think like that. I will going to have a statement like S1. Okay. I wanted to execute this particular statement repeatedly. Understanding everyone? Repeatedly, I wanted to execute. Is it possible with, okay, SYS, nothing but system.out.println. If you wanted to execute, for example, I will show you. See here. Okay. For example, see here, in this main method, what I will do, for example, SYSO, I will say, I wanted to say something like, hi, students. Okay, hi students. I wanted to print this one. When you run this program, this particular statement will be executed. Here you can able to see this statement will going to be executed. Yes or not? But repeatedly several times. Suppose 10 times I wanted to execute. So, sir, 10 times you wanted to execute means what you have to do? You have to take this statement again and again. Suppose like this. 1, 2, again 3, again 4, again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Yes or not? So now when you run this program, basically, so what happens here? You will going to find 10 times of statements are printed here. Yes or not? You can able to see 10 times the statements will going to be printed. Why I have to write this much of code? Yes or not? You tell me why I have to write this much of code to print this particular statement I student. Yes or not? That is my question. As well as I'm putting question on you people to understand why we have to write like this. Okay, instead we don't have any another feature. So we have to search another feature. That feature is called it as while. So that's a while, do while, all these loops. We can use the loops so that we can able to print this particular statement, I students, without creating a statement in this format. Understood? So without creating a statements in this format, we can able to print the statement, okay, continuously or repeatedly. Understood, everyone? Please tell me, understood or not? Clear? Yeah. So that is what exactly you need to understand. Reason is that first, when you are learning a programming language, why you have to question yourself, why we have to write like this. Okay, why have to write the while, why have to use the do while, why we have to use the for loop, all these things because of these reasons. Okay, see, these statements are executing. I return the statement system.out.println 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. That is the reason why 5 times, 6 times, 10 times you can able to execute. It's no need to write like that. Please understand, no need to write like that. So just you have to write a few lines of code so that you can able to execute how many times. Suppose think like that. You wanted to execute this code, okay, 1,000 times. Will you write like that? System.out.println like that for 1,000 times? It's very pathetic, right? Yes or not? It's boring as well. Again, it makes you the company uh, professionals face that he don't know anything about the programming like that. So that is the reason why, and it makes a very good programmer as well. Okay, so that's the reason why we will going to use this kind of control statements. Very important one. We will see the syntax. After that we will going to write the flowchart. Finally we will going to write the program. Okay, fine. Let's see now. So that is the reason why several times I wanted to execute. So suppose when you go to the TOC, it's something like this. S1, okay, call the same function again and again using while loop. Okay, so condition. So what happens here? S1 will be executed until this condition become false. Okay, it will going to be executed. So that is what exactly I'm talking about here, nothing else. Okay, so we will discuss that one, don't worry right now. So let's write the syntax first. See the syntax now here. Syntax is very simple. So you have to take the keyword. While is a keyword in the Java. Okay, while is a keyword. Okay, so while is a keyword. Here, what you will do with the here. Okay, parenthesis. What you will do? You will go to put the condition. Okay, condition. What you will do? Condition. Okay, now clear everyone? You're going to put the condition here. Okay, while we're going to have a body, yes or not? While we're going to have a body, so this is the body, that's why I'm opening the brace flower bracket, I'm opening here. Okay, so what you will going to write here in the body, I will going to write some piece of code. Okay, I will going to write some piece of code. Okay, a piece of code will be executed here. It will going to be executed. Let me change the color to green. Okay, this code will be executed over here. Clear? Now, after that, suppose continuously wanted to repeatedly wanted to execute the statements. Think like this is an S1 statement. Continuously wanted to execute means what you have to do. This is very, very highlight one. Okay, so we have to increment or decrement. So I will going to say INC, nothing but increment, or DEC, nothing but decrement. Okay. Guys, hello. Okay, still 10 minutes is there? No problem. I thought time got over. Okay, fine. So you have to increment as well as you have to decrement it. Again, close the body. This is the syntax. Okay, this is the small syntax you can see. Clear? Everybody clear? Let me know. Everybody clear with the syntax? Guys, clear with the syntax? Yeah, fine. Very simple. Very simple and easy one. Okay, fine. Nothing I did. So while is a keyword here, you can see while is a keyword. Again, you will going to provide the condition over here. After providing the condition, what you will going to do? So if this condition is true, immediately it will come inside. Okay, please understand. Immediately the control will come inside. It will go to execute this particular code, nothing but statements. Okay. After executing the statement, suppose you wanted to continuously wanted to execute, nothing but repeatedly wanted to execute this particular statement. S1 means what you have to do? Either you have to do the decrement or sorry increment or decrement. Okay, either you have to go with the decrement or increment. That's it, nothing else. This is the clear cut syntax for while condition. Okay, let's see the flow chart as well. Okay, let's see the flow chart. After that we will going to write a program, guys. Okay now. Okay, see the flow chart here. I will go to the next slide. Okay, see here. Sorry. Okay, fine. Very simple one. I will take it. See this. So flow chart, I will say flow chart. Everything I am explaining, don't worry. Each and every concept I will going to explain. It takes some time, so don't worry. Learn properly. That's it, nothing else. Okay, learn properly. So this is the starting point. Please understand. This is the starting point here. Okay. See, I wanted to make it very interactive. That's the reason why I'm using different colors so that you will not feel bored. All those things. Okay, that's the reason why. Okay, fine. So here, what you will do, you will going to put the condition like this. Okay, put the condition here. Okay, just I will go to mention saying that it's a C, something like that. So condition is C, I will say. Okay, here C here, very simple. If this condition is true, think like that. If this condition is true, suppose this condition, whatever the expression you provided here, if that particular expression is true, what happens if it is true? It will go to execute the statement here. Okay, it will go to execute the statement. Okay, the statement will be executed. Statement will be executed here. After that, what happens? You will go to do the increment here. You will go to do the increment. Yes or not? You will go to statement will be going to be executed. Either you will go to do the increment or decrement. So when you do that one, what happens immediately? this program, see here, immediately this program, it will going to be written back like this. It will going to be written back. Again, it will go to the expression once again. Okay, it will go to the expression once again. Again, if it is true once again, what happens? It will going to execute the statements once again. Okay, continuously it will going to happen up to where, sir? Up to when the condition become false. This expression, whatever the expression you will going to provide, if that expression become false, immediately what happens? Just it will come out of the loop. Okay, so just it will going to stop here. That's it. Okay, it will going to stop here. So this is your flowchart. Clear everyone? When it is a false condition. Clear everyone? Anybody have doubts? So see here, the control starts from here. Very simple. The control starts from here. So whatever the while condition you will going to provide, if that condition is true, it will go to this particular statement and it will going to execute. Again, it will going to do either increment or decrement as per your situation. Okay. So if you do the increment, automatically it will come back to the condition. It will go to verify the condition once again. If that condition is true, again it will going to execute the statement. Again, increment or decrement. Again it will come to the condition. If that condition become false here, please understand, if the condition become false, okay, what happens? It will move from here to here. Nothing but what? It will go out of the flowchart. Okay, nothing but it will go out of the control will not move into the statements. It will just come out. Okay, that is what exactly it will going to happen in the while. Okay, clear everyone? Anybody have doubts? Let me know, please. If you have any doubts related to flowchart, let me know. I will going to clear your doubts. It's a brief explanation. Yes or not? Clear, guys? Clear? Let me know. Let me know fast. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So we will going to write a program now. Okay. Simple program. We will going to write it. Again, we will going to finish here. Fine. Let's see. So what is the program? While program. Anything you can able to take, whatever you want it, you can able to take it here. Just simple one I will going to take it. For example, I will say here something like integer. Oh, what happened? Okay, let me do while y. Guys, where it is came from, I don't know. Okay, fine, it's okay. Okay, fine, no problem. See guys, here what I will do, just you see here, int I will going to provide a variable, okay, that is integer. So that I value you give whatever you want it. So that is left to you people, whatever you want it, you can able to give it, no problem. So that's why I is equal to, I will say one or two, whatever you want it, you give it, no problem. Okay, now clear? Otherwise you take it zero also, no problem. Zero. Okay, then I told you, right, how this flow will going to works. First it will going to take step one, it will see the variable first. Okay, now create a key while condition here. While, it's a keyword, right? While is a keyword. What I will do, I will going to put a condition. How you will going to put the conditions are very simple. Think like that. I suppose variable I is less than, I will go to say like this, variable I is less than 10. Is it true or false? You tell me. So whatever the value we have in I, so what is the value we have? That is 0. 0 is less than 10. So that is true condition. What we have to do, if this condition is true, I will going to say something like this. Please understand here, very very simple and easy thing. I will go to say something is, you write whatever you want it, guys. So that's why always I will going to give you the option to you people. So what I will going to do, I will going to say something like SYSO control space bar. Okay, here I will going to mention something like I will going to say the, say, wait, I will say something different. The variable value is, sorry, is equal to, you do the concatenation here plus, okay, just mention the I. That's it. Clear everyone? Everybody clear? Now what I will do, I will going to increment the value. Okay, so here everybody understood up to here? It's very clear. Now what I will going to do, just I will going to increment it. I told you either you can able to do like this, I is equal to I plus 1, like this also, no problem. Okay, if you, sir, I am very comfortable with another kind of expression, means like this. What is that? I plus plus. This is also okay, no problem. It's left to you. Okay, Nimista. So just run it now. You can see the output. See here, guys, got it? Everybody got it? Hello. Let me know if you have any doubts. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So why we are not printing 9? Why we are not printing 10? Because the condition ends at 9. Okay, the condition ends at 9. So that is the reason why. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I wanted to print 10 also. Okay, no problem. Equal to. So that's it. Run it. And okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Everybody fine? Anybody have doubts? Let me know if you have any doubts. Guys, let me know, guys.